tube. So this is part 3 of our assembly, and now we will put the wires. This is the wire for the extruder motor. There's only one way to put it. And then the y-axis, this is the limiter switch. And for the stepper motor, and then the Z-axis motor. And the last one will be the limiter switch for the Z-axis. Be careful not to bind the wires with the hotbed. You can put that zip ties. And then we'll put the monitor. So this is the monitor. It has 10 pins. And I forgot to put the zip ties for the hot end wire. So we will put zip ties. We will put it better next time. I'm just putting it to hold it. But be sure the wires will be enough to the hot end to move sideways, because the bottom until the extruder will be short. It's really short. That's why I don't know why that is short. The braided wire is very short. So we will put in 3x5 for the limiter switch. The limiter switch. And then we'll put the clip of the wooden tube. Oh, so tight. And then we will put the cable, and we're ready to make a test if it will work. Later I will level the X-axis gantry and the bed, but for now we will just try it. We will put also a lubricant for the skill rod, threaded rod. Don't put it all, just put a little, maybe half of the pack, it will be enough. So we will just put it at the center so that I can put above and below. We will put in on top, just a little will be enough. Don't put it all at once. Later you will put it again. You will add at the bottom. So there you go. It was my mistake, I shouldn't have to put it all. I'll just buy another one. So we have to spread the lubricant. I have to move the rod up and down, and then we will put the filament. So we are finished, and let's open it. But first we will put the, first of all we will put the filament. to load the filament. The free filament we will going to put first for testing. So as you can see, I already put the filament. And we will home. We will home all axis. When you're homing, don't put the gantry on top too much, because it will, before homing, it will go up and then go down. Just be careful with that. Look, it will move up a little and then move down. So that's why you must not put the gantry too much on top. So it's homing now. Now it's home. All the axes are home. So we will auto level it, but I will make another video for auto leveling. And so my next video will be first run and auto leveling. Okay, see you for our next video. Thank you for watching.